All right, so yesterday we finished our mystery unit. Okay, so that means we are all done with our mystery unit, which means today we have to take what is called our post-assessment. Okay, so that means we are going to have a lesson today. All right, so let me show you what you need to do today, okay? You're going to stay on the Zoom in case you have questions. All right. So when you go to reading today, you have the take the mystery post assessment that you'll click on. Okay, you're going to scroll down to where it says, yours says take the test. All right, and it says, today we will read a story called The Case of the Missing Left Shoe. As we read the story, you'll be asked to stop and answer a few questions. All right, so if you scroll to the bottom of the story, does everyone see this blue box right here? Yes? All right, so if you click on this blue box, it's me, the case of the missing left shoe. Me reading the story out loud to you. So you'll click on that if you want me to read the story out loud, and then you will follow along. All right. And then once we are done reading, you are going to answer the question, what do you think happened to Teddy's left shoe? So you'll type that in there. And then you'll click next. And then you have more of the story to read. So again, if you scroll to the bottom of the story and find that blue box, you can click on it. The questioning now opens, and you'll hear me read the rest of the story that you will follow along to if you want me to read it out loud to you. And then you will answer the question, now that you have read a little more, what do you think will be the solution to the mystery at the end of the story? And then it asks you to explain. So you'll type that there. And then you'll click Submit Quiz. Okay. Does anyone have any questions about this? All right. I don't see any hands. When you are done, you're going to go back to your reading for Friday. And you are going to read a book at home or on Epic. Make sure you're stopping and taking notes and adding what you're reading to your reading log. And then for your word work today, all you have is a video. So then you'll watch my word work video. Hi, everyone. All right. And then at 9:45, we'll have our read aloud, okay? Does anyone have any questions on what they're supposed to do after they take the mystery post assessment? Kamara.
When we done watching a video, what do we do when we're watching video?
When you're done watching the video, you can either log on to Epic and read some more, or you can read at home. You can get on Lexia if you want. You can go back and do content from yesterday if you didn't do that, or you can take a break until 9:45.
Okay.
All right, any other questions before you get started on your post assessment? Raylan, you have a question? Raylan, did you have a question? Your hand is raised. Raylan, did you have a question? Raylan, give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay. All right. Heavenly, what's your question?
Today, do we have writing and content and math today?
We will have math, yes. And then in the afternoon, you'll need to go look at writing and content. All right. If there isn't any other questions, I want you to go ahead and log into Canvas and then go ahead and start taking your mystery post assessment. which remember, this isn't going in the grade book. This is just for me to see how much you learned about Mr.